you finding it hard to break that teeth grinding habit? Do you wish there was a guide to finding relief? If yes, then this guide is what you need. Teeth Grinding Remedies recently released guide details how common it is for you to suffer from bruxism and home remedies and exercises to avoid it. Bruxism is the conscious or unconscious grinding of teeth. It usually occurs in about 20% of children and happens while they sleep. Teeth grinding may not do any damage for most people, but in some, it can cause teeth and jaw fractures. The guide gives you 10 easy-to-follow jaw exercises that work to prevent and cure teeth grinding. Relaxed jaw is one of the most straightforward exercises in the guide. If you need nighttime relief, the guide offers you 2 exercises that you can use. As a result, you can fix your unconscious teeth grinding habits. Go to teethgrindingremedies.com for more info.